First step is we want to pop up the shifter trim here. So just use something like a flat pry tool. Start in the back corners. Just pops up with clips. Just kind of move this forward a little bit. We don't actually have to remove this portion totally. Next, on each side, we have these side panels. Just pull them out towards the left and towards the right. All we really need is to undo these first two clips. We don't need to remove these panels either, just can kind of let them sit here. Now the cover for the cup holder portion starts in the rear, so we want to open up the center console armrest, and then it goes all the way around here. So what we want to do is start at the rear. Again, use a flat pry tool or something similar and pop it up. There's a clip, and then two clips in the rear. I'll be honest with you, these clips are pretty difficult, but then that just pops up and it is removed. Now there are 6 screws that we need to remove. One on each side here and over here. And what that does is it removes this cover portion. So we take out those screws and this cover can carefully come out. And there's 2 screws in the front. Once those are removed, this whole piece clicks out. There's 2 clips in the rear, and then this pulls up. Down here, this will be attached to the bottom, so you have to pull that off from that little white clip there, and then it unclips from the other side, and you can take this to your workbench. First, you want to start out by removing this rubber liner inside the cup holders. We're going to put our discs underneath this, and we're not going to use this rubber liner. Use a 1/4 inch drill bit to drill a hole slightly off center in the bottom of each of the cup holders. Make sure you clean the bottom of each cup holder with an alcohol pad. That's going to help the adhesive to stick. Then we're going to thread the LED wires through each cup holder. Carefully do that. When you get to this point, you're going to take the red covering off of the bottom of each disc, and you're going to put it down, carefully center it, and then push it down firmly to secure. At this stage and in the one before, we want to try and keep these flat ribbon cables as straight as possible. We don't want to kink them too much. So what we're going to do now is go to this plug right here for the other cup holder lights. I'm going to peel back this tape a bit so we can get to the red and black wires here, and we're going to attach the new LED cup holder disc wires to these wires. You can go ahead and cut the LED cup holder wires a little bit shorter because we only have to go a short distance. And we're going to take 2 black wires from the LED cup holders and just twist them together. Then we're going to do the same with the red wires from the LED cup holders. Strip back each of the vehicle wires. We're going to take the red wires, twist them around the red vehicle wire. We're going to tape up that connection with electrical tape. We're going to do the same with the black LED cup holder wires to the black vehicle wire. Tape up both of those connections. Once these connections are all taped up, we're all set. You can use more electrical tape or zip ties to clean up this part. Also, you'll see up here, make sure when you put these cup holders back into the vehicle, we want to keep especially these black portions out of the way of the bottom of the cup holders. So I'll use some more electrical tape to keep these ribbon cables flat. When you put it back in the car, you'll be all set.